Your proof is not in her.
Mostly patients pick up whatever drink is available for taking medicine like soft drink, coffee, tea and alcohol. Some even use it to kill the bitter taste of the tablets. These drinks have interaction with medicines or cause allergy. These drinks are not safe for some medicine. Soft drinks should be avoided completely because these are carbonated and mostly acidic in nature and decrease the antibacterial action of most of medicines. Also restrict the absorption of iron while taking iron supplement or other medicines with iron. Juices also have interaction with medicine. It may increase or decrease the effect of medicine. It contains some ingredient that inhibit drug absorption and can lead to adverse effect, so grape juice must be avoided. Tea and coffee also reduces the digestion of the medications. Milk is recommended for calcium and vitamin D tablets, but it is unsafe for other medicines. Milk has common interaction with antibiotics like tetracycline, decrease its absorption and produce less effect. The best medium for medicine is water that help in transport and also improve the absorption in intestine and stomach. If you are not instructed for specific liquid, take all medicines with water. People also do mistake with water having unspecific temperature. High temperature damage the molecule that decrease the effect of medicines. Capsule shells melt at initial stage with hot water and produce no effect, so capsule must take with water at room temperature. In case of throat infection and cough, it is advised to take medicine with lukewarm water because it soothes the throat. Fundamentally, cold medicines and throat infection respond favorably to temperature of water. Paracetamol dissolve and absorb faster with hot water while suffering from cold or fever. It is also important to take medicine with right amount of water. At least take 1 glass of water for 1 pill. Take few sips before medicine to make easy swallowing of pills.